So today we're outside of our latest custom home project here in Arlington, Virginia. I want to talk to you about how special this home is. Well, there's two parts to this story. The first part is Paradigm Homes came alongside one of our architectural teams to design and build this spec home, which is a to-be-built house for our client. Midway through the project, this client came in, loved the lot, loved our floor plan, and decided to actually buy the house from us. And so through that transformation, we were able to take this floor plan that we developed and help our clients put in some of those special features and finishes that relate to how they live in their home. So come on, let's go take a look at and check out how amazing this house is. All right, so like I said, there's a pretty cool story that goes along with this house. The client came in, they purchased this house from us that was a pre-designed by Paradigm, a spec home. This house is about 5,000 square feet. There are 6 bedrooms in here. There's actually 4 levels because there's a loft upstairs as well with its own bathroom. We've got a great rec room area that you'll see downstairs. We've got an oversized kitchen that leads outside to some double doors that takes you into an indoor-outdoor living screen porch. As you're designing a house like this, it's very important for us to think about function and flow. You'll see a lot of those elements in this house, how the clients live, what's important to them. So as we're designing our houses and building them for our clients, we really want to make sure we're getting their input, finding out what's important to them. So as we navigate and walk through this house, check out some of those special features as we take this tour. So this home has 10-foot ceilings, and you can definitely tell the vibe of that once you walk into the house. You can just see the ceiling heights. You don't feel claustrophobic. You feel everything feels open and approachable. In houses, when we put 10-foot ceilings, we add 8-foot doors. You can see the doors are much taller than your normal 6'8" doors. It just really helps kind of expand the floor plan. And as you walk through the home, you'll see a lot of areas where there's some different ceiling configurations. In the bedrooms upstairs, there's some vaulted ceilings and some drop ceilings. You can see in this, between the kitchen and the family room, there's a drop beam here to kind of separate the space to kind of really define this family room. Well, here we are in the most used room in the house, everybody's favorite room, the kitchen. Let's talk about what our client has done here and some of the features that they put into this home. In particular, this range. So this range is an electric range. The client that we work with is in the environmental space, works with sustainability, and so electric features were very important to him. So we've did this range, AGA, it's all electric. You can see it's got the flat top at the top there. It's got the built-in broiler. Just a lot of cool features as well into the range. We've got our oversized hood. So when you're making those big family set Sunday meals, you get all those fumes and everything that flows out of there. Another thing that's really cool about this is this built-in pantry. Is this overflow space gives our client the ability to, if you're hosting, you can just come and dump some dishes and plates and clean them up later. A lot of great storage. As you can see, countertop space. They've got their coffee makers and ovens in here as well, some extra space, which gives you the ability to really entertain in a kitchen like this. One of the coolest features, I think personally, just because I'm a wine connoisseur, is the built-in Sub-Zero split wine fridge. And then you've got the freezer on one side and the refrigerator on another. Just a really cool feature when we're designing the house, something that Paradigm put in. We love to work with Sub-Zero and Wolf. It's a really great product. A lot of our clients love those items as well. And then kind of the full dining space. You've got space along the kitchen and the island. And then we've got the built-in kind of area where you can put up your table. And then we've got a really cool kind of detail here. You can see me in the mirror. All the mirrored cabinets, kind of a butler's pantry, beverage fridge. But I think one of the other amazing parts of this house is this indoor-outdoor living. As you can see, we've got the Marvin doors that open up, pretty expansive, about 6-7 feet. Takes us to this amazing screen porch that you can see. So you get that great indoor-outdoor living as well. Let's go take a walk through here and show you. As we come through, got another little sitting porch that takes you to the outside, and then it pops us right back in here to the house, and we're in the family room. And so in the family room, we've got great space here to hang out as a family, watch some TV, watch some sports. So as you can see, this is an amazing kitchen. You've seen the cabinetry, you've seen the detail work that our clients have selected. Everything in this space is custom. Everything was designed either by Paradigm or with our client to put features and finishes in here that fit exactly what they want and what they need. So when you're designing a home like this, one of the key features in the house is the staircase. Where do you place the stairs? Well, in this particular house, because has a basement and then 3 levels above, we had to be specific. And what we didn't want it to feel closed down, claustrophobic. So you'll see as you go up and down the stairs, each stairwell has some oversized windows, letting in that natural light, really opening you up to the outside elements to really not make you feel cramped as you walk up and down your stairs, which is very important. You can also see in the detail in the design of the stairs, it's got some a little bit more of a modern edging in it. You've got your metal balusters as you go up, your oak rails. So thinking through your stairs and rails is something that's very important. And as you walk through this house and go up and down the steps, check it out. All right, so we're in the owner's suite. I think one of the coolest features in here is the way that our architectural team designed the windows. Just look at this natural light. We've got 2 oversized windows flanking the bed, and then we've got this large bank of windows that just brings in a lot of that natural light. As we kind of shuffle down here towards the owner's bath, flanking hers and his closets, oversized closets. The cool thing about this one is it's got a beeline directly to the 2nd floor laundry room, so it makes it easy to kind of transport those freshly washed clothes, drop them right into your closets. I think, again, going back to windows, in this owner's bath, I think it's just an amazing oversized flanking windows that just are the centerpiece of this master bath. Brings in that natural light so you're getting ready in the morning, kind of wakes you up, gets you ready for the day. We've got our freestanding tub here that kind of flanks the 2 windows, and just really well appointed owner's bath in here, giving our clients the details and features that they really love. We've got our car wash, shower. You can see the oversized shower. We've got our rain head up above. We've got some great inlay tile on the bottom. We've got our double vanities with our mirrors that have side lights on them. So as you can see, we try to spare no detail here when we're designing our owner's suites and owner's baths. We really want to make sure our clients are getting what they want. We're paying attention to every detail that's important to them as we design their house. When we're designing a home like this, we try to look at some special features or elements of the home that are really unique. In this particular case, we've got this wood beam that kind of separates us. We needed to do it for framing. What can we do to kind of make it look a little bit nicer than just a drywalled wrapped ceiling? So you see the wood beam that we put in here. And then the 2 bedrooms that are in the front, the way that the house is designed, gave us the ability to do almost like a cathedral in one and a vaulted ceiling and detail in the other, which is a really cool feature. Most builders would just drop the ceiling, make it flat. But for us, we wanted to keep it unique and really showcase the architectural design elements that really make this house special. So we're down in the basement, and entertaining was a big thing for our client. As you can see, we've got this freestanding island here that leads to kind of the bar, coffee area. Really cool tile backsplash. You can see the black granite in here. We've got LVP on the floors. It's kind of a modern look. We've got a lot of built-in areas, shelving here for books and things, and then also in the kind of family room or the basement area, rec room, we've got some more built-in areas for books. Our clients are avid readers, so it gives them the opportunity of where to store things. But as you can see, this is a really well designed and thoughtful layout in a basement. We worked with our clients to help them get the space they need, space that they want, so that they can really enjoy friends and family and even some quiet time reading some books. So if you're looking to design and build your next custom home, we at Paradigm would love to help you do that, take care of that project for you.